Hello everyone, welcome to Ola Joe the Crocheting Sailor. I'm popping on to do day 11 of the Christmas Advent calendar. So let's see what we're going to get today. There it is. There it is. So let's open this up together. Day 11. Drum roll. Is that another snowman? Did we make another snowman? It's a snowman. Now we got one already, but this one is different. On one of the other days, we got another snowman, but I noticed this particular ornament is tiny. Yes, I don't know what day it was. I'm looking, but yes. And what I mean by tiny is, look at Mrs. Claus, which was day 9, and look at the snowman. So this is a little tiny one. That's what we got on today. Well, it definitely does not beat out yesterday. And if you missed it, you need to go and check it out. Check out day 10. Day 10 is one of my faves. I mean, by far, it's my fave. So stay tuned for day 12. Thank you all so much for tuning in to the Gnome Advent calendar. I look forward to seeing you guys on the YT streets. I am trying to get to 25K. So please help me get there. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and if you haven't hit that button yet, please hit that button and turn it to all so you won't miss a notification. Like and share this video. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys on the YT streets. Have a wonderful one.